Hello, I'm Charlotte from NightSearcher. Are you looking for a powerful anti-glare solar light that delivers wide, efficient coverage? Well, here is the NexSun Polaris, a 1000 lumen solar wall light designed for comfort, security, and performance. The NexSun Polaris provides consistent, even lighting without compromising on efficiency. Whether mounted high or low, it delivers eco-friendly, powerful illumination where you need it most. With an advanced PIR motion sensor, the NexSun Polaris detects movement from up to 5 meters away within a 120-degree field of view. Plus, its efficient solar panel ensures up to 10 days of operation, even in rainy conditions. With 4 lighting modes, you can customize your lighting to suit any situation. 25% brightness until dawn for energy-saving all-night visibility, 10% brightness with motion detection, activating full brightness only when needed, motion detection only, gradually illuminating for security-focused lighting, and finally, full brightness until dawn for maximum illumination all night. Designed with flexibility in mind, this solar wall light is renter-friendly, thanks to its clever cable tie installation system, meaning no tools or drilling required. The NexSun Polaris, designed for performance and efficiency. Upgrade your outdoor lighting today and enjoy up to 5 years of warranty on our entire solar range.